Getting the right hammer handle fit is crucial because a loose or split handle can totally mess up your work and even be dangerous. So, first off, make sure you're getting the exact handle model that matches your hammer head. Like, double-check the specs on the manufacturer's website before buying. When you slide the handle into the hammerhead, it should feel tight and snug without gaps. If it's loose front to back, that's a red flag. Before you start pounding it in, try wetting the handle end. Wood swells a bit and helps with a tighter fit. If there's a visible gap or split at the top, don't ignore it because that can cause the head to come off mid-use. Using wooden wedges in the slot and metal wedges hammered in perpendicular to the wood wedge is key to securing the handle properly. After wedging, let the handle dry or soak it overnight if possible so everything sets solid. Always test by giving a few firm taps to see if the head stays put. If it moves, you gotta fix it again before using. One of the biggest mistakes with hammer handle fitting is using the wrong size or model handle. This causes gaps and unsafe fits, so always verify your hammer's specs. Another common issue is not driving in the wedges correctly. Wood wedges must go in the pre-cut slot and metal wedges hammered perpendicular to secure the fit perfectly. Lastly, ignoring splits or cracks in the handle top leads to breakage and injury. If the wood looks damaged, get a new handle instead of risking it. Fix these by confirming model numbers, properly wedging and fitting handles, and never using cracked or damaged wood. BigHomeProjects.com is great for finding trusted local contractors who know their stuff and get your home repairs done right without hassle. Plus, if you're a contractor looking for more work, it helps connect you with homeowners ready to hire.